To add employee, click on menu bar, then click on Settings. There you can see Manage Employee, click on that option. Then at the bottom right, you can see Add Icon, click on that icon. From there, you can create your employee by entering their name, email, phone number, and their access role. When you click the drop-down, you'll see two options, Basic and Staff. Basic is for manager-level employees, or those working at the counter. They'll have almost full access based on their job role. Staff is for team members who serve customers and create tickets. Simply choose the option that matches your employee's role. Then, a mail with password will be sent to the given mail. Your employee will copy that mail, then they will enter it in password section, and the email will be same as provided. Then the employee for your business is created.